start with how your hair would normally look in the morning, so don't straighten or anything because we want that natural tussle. Have your straighteners ready as well. So I'm going to start by using cheese silk infusion to prep my hair as a heat protectant. I like to concentrate more on the ends of my hair because this is where your hair is most damaged. And then whatever is left over, I apply it to the rest of my hair, smoothing it all out. Make sure you evenly distribute it throughout your hair. Now, taking your hair straightener, so you're going to take a section of your hair, just very randomly, and no more than an inch, like so, and I'm going to clump it, and I'm going to roll it 360 degrees, just like this. Slide down no further than an inch, and you should have this nice round wave. Clump and roll 360 degrees again, move a little bit down, release, and you should have another wave. Remember to slide no further than an inch. This technique gives you rounder and softer looking waves. So now we're going to find our next section. Again, I'm just being spontaneous. And I'm pretty much going to do the same thing just by clumping it, rolling it 360 degrees, moving down a little, and then release, and then the same method. For best results, be very spontaneous with your sections, so don't be neat. Just clump wherever that you feel like, and it's entirely up to you how many sections that you want to clump. I like to clump no more than 15 sections on my hair. I am honestly really lazy when it comes to my hair, believe it or not, so this technique is fantastic because it's really quick, it's simple and easy, and you will achieve that beach hair in about 5 minutes for me, but 10 minutes maximum. So keep doing the same method just all over your hair. I like to work with my outer layers, so don't worry about the layers underneath, you're really just working with the outside layers. So now you can see that we're really beginning to get that mermaid beachy wave type of hairstyle. So now taking my straighteners again, I'm just going to generate some extra waves to the areas that I feel need more of a shape. Again, I'm just being spontaneous and just using my instinct. And then finally, when you're happy, it's time to move on to the next step, which will complete the beach hair look. Can you guess what I'm going to use? Sebastian Creek clay. What else? The mermaid beach hair isn't complete without using a type of product that's going to create even more of a tussle. And I'm just scrunching my hair as usual. And we really want to give it that lift. Sebastian Creek clay makes my hair glossy and shiny without making it feel or look greasy. So you just want to keep styling and scrunching accordingly. You can use any clay, mousse or gel or whatever you're really comfortable using as long as it doesn't weigh down your hair. And that's really it. Your beach hair is complete in minutes.
눈부신 싱그러운 아침이 오면